Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to generate a battery health report on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, click on this one start button and then type CMD. In the search results, click on this one command prompt entry to open command prompt window on your Windows PC. Then you need to type here power cfg space slash battery report. This one is command that will generate battery report on your Windows PC. I will provide this one command in this video description also. In case you need it, you can copy it from there. After typing this one command, press enter on the keyboard. This will generate a battery report under C users username, and then this one is the path where you can see this one battery report. For this, press Windows plus E key on the keyboard to open this one file explorer window. Then move to this PC in the left sidebar, select it, then open C drive, and then you need to select this one users folder. Then select the user on which you have logged in. I have logged in KAMLE username. Just double click on it and you will find here a battery report in HTML format. Just double click on it to open it in your default browser. Here you can see battery report including several details like you can see how much battery is installed, name of the battery, manufacturer of the battery, chemistry, serial number of the battery, capacity of the battery, when battery will be full charge, how much that will have the capacity, recent uses in details, and scroll down and find several details. You can see a graph of the battery usage. Like this you can read usage history, and this one battery life estimates. You can also see here estimates how much more days you can use this one battery. Like this you can read this one report on your Windows 11 or 10 PC.